This is the MSI Trident X, a compact gaming desktop without concessions. At a volume of only 10 liters, this concept-sized gaming rig is the perfect solution for gamers on the go and who want the best performance at any occasion. The Trident X is powered by a 9th generation Intel Core processor with up to 8 physical cores, making sure it can handle multitasking simultaneously. It also features an MSI GeForce RTX 20 series graphics card for blazing gaming performance. This card supports ray tracing technology and is ready to provide you the ultimate gaming performance. The Trident X gaming desktop provides striking aesthetics, with interchangeable tempered glass and steel panels, as well as RGB lighting. The Silent Storm Cooling 3 separates the CPU, VGA and power supply in different chambers with optimized airflow, making sure your system stays cool while you're gaming. The Trident X is small in size, but big when it comes to possibilities. Even the side panels are designed to be easily exchanged for alternatives. Due to its user-friendly internal design, the CPU, memory, GPU, storage are seamlessly upgradable, including a turbo M.2 and two 2.5-inch slots for additional SSD and hard disk. You will find many connectivity options. This includes USB Type-C, Intel Gigabit LAN, and 7.1 HD audio with NVMe 3 support for the next level in audio immersion. The Trident X also offers Intel wireless AC Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity.